YouTube, what's cracking, man? Vinny Chaz, man. I got a fucking web show. I'm gonna start putting on here, but I'm just gonna freestyle for y'all. Shit, I got nothing better to do in my day, so I'm gonna do it to Gucci shirt off. Some shit y'all wouldn't be expecting, but I'm gonna get it tried now. Sort of like so. Look, look, look. Hey yo, I take my shirt off, shorty take her skirt off, then I lift the mask up, then he take his face off, feeling like Jack Carey in that one fucking movie. My niggas, we face ragging, we looking like the Sunnis. No scary movie, even though I'm hanging with the Goonies, but my Goonies turn out motherfucking mobsters. This ain't the ink, even though I straight kill 'em with the ink, and I ain't never picked up a pen, and I just snap lead. I don't even need a pencil, and you niggas better draw. Y'all niggas need a stencil. I'm sorta like Picasso, I'm sorta like the mafia, so I'm mafioso. In case you didn't know, so leave a nigga low. And yeah, you know my dolo, never that. In a bad bitch, gotta keep a motherfucking sad, cause she can't hold the work unless she fucking with the kid. If she fucking with the kid, I kill her. If she still, I chop her damn hands off when I'm riding Blaze and my rays Escalades. And you know my sun rays never touching eyeballs. Ray-Ban when that wraps around, gotta get in the equation. Yo, shorty just waiting, and I just be skating them 24s, Yokohamas, and you know your bitch wanna chill right beside them, but right beside them probably be them motherfucking problems, and them chapos equal doctors. So nigga, what's high? Ugh, not a mafia. Let me answer the phone real quick. You get it?